Hello guys, welcome to my writing review class. I'm sorry, I was kind of boring and sitting on my desk, so that's why I go out of my house, like here on the back of my house, and I am here behind a tree. So please enjoy this beautiful tree. So here I'm going to be explaining it to you all the topics that we are going to study for the exam. So please pay attention, listen carefully. I'm going to show you all the pictures and how to use them, right? So remember, we are describing a pictures. I'm going to show you the picture. I'm going to show you how to use descriptive words and descriptive adjectives. So please use them. So don't use the same words like good, beautiful, sad, delicious. No, use words that are not very common. So you are going to enrich your vocabulary. You are going to be very professional. You are going to learn a lot. So please, I ask you to do it in your daily life too. So right now, I'm going to show you the picture. This is our picture where you can find active people doing different actions. The average height boy who has curly blonde hair is painting a genuinely drawing where he is using pleasing colors. Over the table, we have a tan girl with a brown hair, and by her side is this dark and skinny boy cutting cautiously the paper. Also, there are two other kids, which one has black hair with a oval face, and the other one has a speaking hair. And also, he is using glue, so for sure he is smelling a strong whiff. If we go to the corner, over there is a blonde skinny girl talking with her friends. The tall teacher is holding a green square book. So if you can see, you can describe using the other adjectives and words that are not very common. So in that way you are going to sound very professional. So I ask you to do it and describe very in details, like very nice. Okay, so with this, I am not telling you that you are not allowed to describe just pictures. You can describe a place, like when you are, maybe you are in a forest, you can be in a classroom, you can be in a city mall, you can be on the market, you can be in the park, at church, I don't know, like many places. So you can describe it too. Like for example, you can describe the place that you are. Like for example, right now I am outside of my house, and what can I see? What can I smell? What can I listen? What can I taste? And what can I touch with my hands, right? So like for example, right now I can see like more trees. I can see the sky. I can feel that air, right? That's why I go out of my house to show you that you can feel or you can describe the place that you are. Also, I can taste like sweet. I can taste sour. I can taste like something that is salty. I don't know. So for those kind of sentences, we have descriptive words too. So right now, I'm going to show you which ones are. Also, you can listen something that is very noisy, right? So you can describe how noisy is it. So I'm going to let you know like which words that you are going to use, and I'm going to give you like a place which you need to describe it, and I'm going to describe it like very fast. Okay, we're going to use the same pictures, and as you can see in the picture, you can listen to the people talking very loudly. You can also see through the window a sparkly sky. However, you can touch a liquid paint. I don't know. I mean, you can use many words to describe people or things. Like, for example, there is a clear and neat desk and board, right? Also, there is a messy table. So, with this, I am telling you that you can use descriptive words to describe a place. So, here I am. I am going to talk about persuasive writing. Remember that when we are using persuasive writing is when you want to convince someone or to do something that you want to do it, right? Like for example, as the activity that we already done in class and during these weeks, that you have to write a friendly letter to a friend, that you have to convince him or her to come to here to Gracias, to see the wonderful things that Gracias had. It is a touristic place, so that's why you have to show it to your friend. So right now I'm going to explain each step. Let's go. Okay, so in here you have the friendly letter. It is in your book, so I'm going to explain very briefly. If you see there, you have the name, you have the date, you have the place, from who is the letter. So for the future friendly letters that you are going to write, you need to follow these steps. So look at it very carefully. Also, you can see that there is a body paragraphs. So where you are going to write the reason, the greeting, and the goodbye words that you are going to use to convince your friend. So like for example, like hi, how's your life? I was just hit by a killer idea. Why don't you come to my city? So these are some of the words that you can use to start a letter. Please read it carefully and try to write one of each one. I think you already have it because it was an assignment. So for sure, this is going to be one of your questions in your quiz. Okay, this was our writing review class. I hope you like it. Remember, I really miss you, and stay safe, stay at home, wash your hand, eat a lot. Please always study. Goodbye.